IronCAD's sheet metal tools are built to be extremely fast and very quick to learn. You can start using them with a simple drag and drop. Bends will automatically snap to edges and you can build like Lego. Well, a very advanced version of Lego. There are more sheet metal tools in the ribbon, like this miter tool, so you can quickly create the parts you need. At any stage, you can then unfold your part to see its flat pattern and bend lines. Then refold it back up to keep building. The sketch bend tool helps you take a flat piece of metal and bend it up with the lines you choose. You can import a DXF of a flat pattern, then use those lines over the top of 3D geometry to generate a folded 3D part. This tool helps you create lofts with press bends, and you can easily customize the amount of bends you'd like to use. Any part you create with IronCAD sheet metal tools can quickly be exported for laser cutting or taken into a drawing to show the bend lines and bend dimensions. Any changes you make in the 3D can automatically be updated in the drawing. IronCAD sheet metal tools are built to make the sheet metal design process as efficient as possible and enjoyable at the same time.